Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hi, so over here we're asked to balance the following reaction. And in order to do so, one trick that we can employ is to multiply the other element that we're going to have by the largest number of atoms that we're going to have present in our compounds. Since in this case, as you can see, we could say that carbon and oxygens are going to be balanced, but sulfur is not going to be. So let's multiply this by 8. What we're going to do after having that is going to be to count the number of atoms that we're going to have on each side. In this case, we're going to have 8 carbon atoms. Of sulfur, we're going to have 8 as well. And of oxygen, we're going to have 16. So, on the left hand side, the number of carbon atoms is going to be equal to 1. Thus, we need to multiply by 8 in order to balance this reaction. The number of the number of oxygens, in this case, are 2. So, we need to multiply this factor as well by 8. 8 times 2 is going to give us 16 oxygen atoms. So far, carbon and oxygen are going to be balanced. And now the sulfur atoms, we're going to have 8 times 2, 16 plus 8. Thus, 24 sulfur atoms. Now, 24 and 8 are going to be related by multiplying by 3. So 8 times 3 is going to give us 24, and this would be our final balance reaction. As you can see, all of the elements present in the reaction are going to be properly balanced. So for that reason, the correct option would be 8 of CO2, 3 of S8, 8 of CS2, and 8 of SO2.